Hello, this is Avena Group. We have tried to tackle 5 problems. The first one is food security, climate change, justice system, gender issue, and human settlement. The solution, we have tried to solve these problems using the latest artificial intelligence technologies by powering mobile app and website. First, we trained a model image classification system for plant disease and suggest necessary measures to enhance food security. The second is a regression algorithm for justice recommendation and climate prediction and evaluation, and also gender equality awareness and gender-based harassment reporting system are there. Our target users are on their race, color, location, gender. Anyone who is interested in our project with a little knowledge of technology can enjoy our amazing products. Technologies, we have used 3 types of technologies for developing this result. The first one is web-based technologies, for example Python or Django for backend development, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for front-end, MySQL for database. We have used artificial intelligence tools. We have trained a machine learning model for classification and regression by Keras, TensorFlow, Matplotlib, Pandas, and NumPy, and Scikit-learn, and the models are 78% accurate. Mobile application tools to develop the mobile app and to integrate ML models with the mobile app. We have used them. Also, this is our responsibility of the group members. This is Avena development guide. Our some features are: the first one is ML based food security control, machine learning based climate control, justice system. This is also machine learning based, human settlement guide, gender issues, and general manuals are our main features. When it comes to our food security, we have 2 features. The first one is awareness about food security, and the second one is image classification. Let's classify
an image of with disease, for example. If we go and choose this image,
and when we classify, it will result of Keras and TensorFlow classification result. It is a plant is a wheat, and the classification result here is a black chaff disease, and it is also have a recommendation for possible measures that can be used. The second one is our climate control system. The climate control system predicts the climate and give a necessary suggestion. First let's choose North America.